Okay, we did it, LKCO. We gapped today as we predicted on the Friday. Hopefully you saw the video. I told you we need to close at $1.80 precisely. That's what we closed at Friday, and I told you if we close at $1.80 we're gonna see even a gap above the $2. And this is the video that we did at 11th of June, and guess what, even we actually said here closing candle to see a gap at our resistance level. And look with me what's happened today. This is really perfect, guys. This is perfect. Look with me, the price went even to $2.33. So now what we should expect, where the price will go? Are we gonna see the $4? Why not? So without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to hunting. So look with me, guys, perfectly what's happened. At Friday, hopefully you saw the video that we actually predicted that, as said, we actually been doing this reaction, then this triangle. Look with me, we've been bouncing and accumulating for the price. Really get ready to actually bump and go above our triangle, and now we see the price actually gapped and open on market, and we see it now as sell-off. This is normal, guys. This is normal. When you see this big gap that we did today, almost 30%, this is normally because I told you here there is a big turbulence around our resistance level around the $2.30, and precisely that's what's happened. I told you here you should take your profit. That's why we see a lot of selling pressure right now, and there's a big chance that we're gonna see a bit the price will gravitate below a bit, and a bit will be perfectly if we hold above the $2 and not going below, and if we actually go below, we're gonna see the price at least go at $1.88 and we bounce from there, and this will be perfect scenario at $1.88, and we bounce from here and test again the $2.13. So this is, as I said, guys, almost every time when we see a gap up, you have to take your profit, because there's a lot of people caught up and bought at the top before, and they want to cut their losses, and a lot of short sellers actually put options here. That's why we see a heavily shorting position right now, and the price actually went down as we predicted at the last video at Friday. So always take your profit, then get ready to actually load when we actually bounce either from $1.88 or from our extension average. The perfectly, if we hold above the $2 today, will be perfect around the $2. So we actually see a comeback and test again to $2.13 and close by today above the $2.13. This will be perfect for LKCO, guys. Join us on Patreon, where I actually hunt for exact price value, and you have access to Discord channel where we hunt for price value as we actually did before and always do. And the growing community is almost now 20 hunters. So join us and let's hunt, guys. See you in the next update. I'm gonna do update after market for LKCO, so stay tuned for that. See you, guys.